Hey everyone, I'm Allison with BoomTown. Today I want to share with you an organizational pro tip for your real estate lead generation. It's a good practice to diversify your lead sources, meaning don't put all of your eggs in one basket. The most successful real estate businesses have a variety of lead sources, anything from internet leads to referrals and past clients, drop-ins, and even some more classic tactics like cold calling and open house leads. But your prospecting plan is going to look different for each one of your lead sources. So here are some tips on how to bucket your leads so that you can plan out effective strategies for each one. First, you have your internet or online leads. These leads are top of the funnel, they're a little bit colder, and they have a longer incubation period. So you'll want to have a really strong lead engagement and nurture plan in place to effectively convert these leads. A great CRM like BoomTown can help you with this. Some lead gen strategies for this type of lead are digital advertising through Google and Facebook, organic traffic, put some testimonials on your website, custom landing pages, and a really strong IDX website. Then you have your prospect leads. These are more mid-funnel leads and they don't fall into the same category as your internet leads. A good lead gen strategy for this type of lead would be hosting an event or an open house and even cold calling. Maybe call some expired listings or some FSBOs. And then there's your sphere leads. Your sphere leads are a little bit warmer and they already live somewhere in your sphere. They might be in your database already, but they haven't engaged in a little while. Some good lead gen strategies for your sphere include handwritten notes, automated smart drip plans through your CRM, video text messages and Facebook messages, and maybe even voicemail drops. The name of the game is to organize your leads appropriately and understand where they fall into the funnel before you come up with a plan to engage them once you have their contact info.